Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect CJ affiliate to automate payouts tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your CJ affiliate account. Navigate to the reports section on your dashboard. Select payouts from the drop-down menu. Locate the payout data tab within the payouts section. Review the information available to ensure you are familiar with the payout structure. Next, click on Automated Payouts. You will be prompted to configure your settings. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. Fill in the required payout details for your chosen method. Make sure to verify your contact information to avoid any processing delays. After entering all necessary information, save your settings. Now, go to the Account Settings area. Look for the tracking options. Choose the appropriate tracking method that works best for your needs. Enable any necessary integrations with third-party platforms if applicable. Review your tracking settings to ensure they align with your goals. Once confirmed, save all changes to activate the tracking. Wait for a confirmation notification that your settings have been updated. Monitor your payouts regularly to ensure accurate tracking. Make adjustments as needed based on your performance insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.